I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda CRV engine air filter. This simple maintenance task is crucial for your vehicle's health. A clean air filter ensures your engine breathes properly, leading to better fuel economy and overall performance. You should aim to replace it every 15,000 to 30,000 miles, depending on your driving conditions. For this job, you'll primarily need a Phillips head screwdriver or an 8mm socket. First, open your Honda CRV's hood by pulling the release lever inside the driver's side door. Then, find the secondary latch under the hood and lift it up, securing it with the prop rod. Locate the engine air filter box, typically a black plastic box, on the driver's side of the engine compartment. You'll see 4 bolts on the cover. Use your Phillips head screwdriver or 8mm socket to loosen them. These bolts are often captive, so they won't come completely out. Once the 4 bolts are loose, gently lift the top half of the airbox. Be careful not to pull too hard, as some hoses may still be attached. You'll now see your old engine air filter. Take a moment to observe its orientation, as the new one needs to go in the same way. Carefully remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, it's a good idea to wipe out any leaves, dust, or debris from the bottom of the airbox. Now place your new engine air filter into the airbox, making sure it sits flush and matches the orientation of the old one. Carefully lower the airbox cover, ensuring it aligns properly with the bottom half. Tighten the 4 bolts until they are snug. Avoid over-tightening. Close your hood and you're all set. You've successfully changed your engine air filter, contributing to improved engine performance, better fuel efficiency, and reduced emissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.